Hello, everyone. My name is Katie Sweeney. The type of agency that I am completing my field placement at deals with mental health issues and substance abuse issues. I am more involved with substance abuse clients. I expect to learn a lot in field about social work and how to work with clients with these issues and struggles. I will be trained over the semester on how to become an effective group leader with all that it entails. This is my primary goal. I am excited to implement what we have learned in the class setting to real world social work. Time is my biggest concern. I am now working full time, interning 15 hours a week, and attending school. Also, obtaining and maintaining the respect of the group members as a group leader and new intern is a concern of mine. It is important to try not to be too high or low during this interning process. There are so many factors in play. I think it will also be important to utilize the peer to peer field discussion forum to obtain feedback from classmates on the issues of excitement and concerns. Thank you.